Today we will discuss about Newton's third law of motion application. When a man in a lift going upward, downward, and when the lift is stationary, then what will happen on the weight of the man? Now, firstly we will take an example of when lift is stationary or at rest position. We have a lift in which we have a weighing machine for taking weight of the man, and when man come on the machine, then what will happen? We have a normal reaction R which will show in the upward direction, which will react in the upward direction for balancing the man, and in the downward direction mass of the man and gravity will act in the downward direction. So R and mg are the reactions in the upward and downward direction when lift is stationary. Now what will happen? R minus mg will be equal to 0 because R equal to mg when lift is stationary. So machine will show actual weight of the man. This machine will show actual weight of the man. Weight is equal to mass and gravity. So this is the first case, and in the second case, when lift is moving upward, then what will happen? This lift will move upward, then upward motion on man, upward force on a man will be F equal to ma. Then R will be greater than mg because lift is moving upward towards the reaction R. So R is greater, R minus mg equal to F. Then what will be R? R will be mg plus A. Acceleration and gravity will be added in this reaction. So machine will show higher weight than actual weight of the man. And in the third case, when lift will move downward, then what will happen? Lift will move in the downward. Downward force on a man will be F equal to ma. And because lift is moving downward direction, so mg will be greater and R will be lower. Mg minus R equal to F. And what will be the normal reaction R? mg minus A. Acceleration is minus in the gravity, so machine will show lower weight than the actual weight of the man. So these are the three cases for application of Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law of motion says that every action is equal to opposite reaction. Thank you for seeing this video. Thank you.